Every day I eager to make something new in a printing. Today I want to make something with sapan and gamelia leaf. Here I only use one kind of leaf, it's gamelia leaf. It's pretty nice print, and I use sapan wood for the blanket. It will present like pink colors in here. And this is the result. What a lovely background here, and lovely print from gamelia. I only steam for these bundles in hour, because if I steam more than hours, this sapan will influence a lot to do it. Thank you.